how Lean Six Sigma is changing. I'm Amanda Zimmerman. I'm a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt, and I've been teaching Lean Six Sigma continuous improvement for the last decade, leading projects and help making our processes better. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk about how Lean Six Sigma is actually changing, which is really excited for some of us that maybe weren't comfortable in the industry, weren't sure where things were going, wanted to be more of a part of it, and weren't sure where we fit in. So let's talk about stereotypical Lean Six Sigma. Now, I don't want to point any fingers, but let's just say the stereotype would be older white men. That's the stereotype of who's a continuous improvement professional. But what's really exciting, as we maybe have that perception in our minds, what's exciting is that that's changing. That's all changing, right? So there's a lot more groups out there today. If you're on LinkedIn, there's a Women in Lean group. That's a fantastic way to meet other people in Lean Six Sigma or continuous improvement. And that really has shifted my perspective of the history of Lean Six Sigma or continuous improvement. There's over 1,000 women there that share their stories of how they got into continuous improvement and the amazing things that they've done over the last decade, the last 20 years, the last 30 years, the last 40 years. Yes, all of that is within that group. So I will challenge that continuous improvement is no longer that stereotype of maybe like a Wall Street consultant type, but that it is becoming more diverse. Now, in addition to that, it's becoming more diverse in the industries involved. So traditionally, Lean Six Sigma was for the manufacturing industry, but that's something that's changing as well. So if you come from that background of manufacturing, but you're not sure if you can change industries into something in service or transactional, you can. Continuous improvement applies across industries. So I want to encourage you to expand how you think about continuous improvement. The other way that Lean Six Sigma is changing is in the 80s, in the 90s, it was very focused on achieving a certain belt level, right? In the 90s, GE really popularized these belts, green belt, black belt, yellow belt. Sometimes there's new ones out there now like brown belt. And that's kind of how we gauged someone's knowledge of continuous improvement. But really that was a Six Sigma certification, not necessarily a process improvement or lean. More and more out there, there are certifications available that are not just Six Sigma focused. And those are becoming more well recognized by organizations. Now, of course, if you are skilled in continuous improvement, you want to highlight your experience, the projects that you've done, but it helps to have a certification. And what's exciting is that there is a more broad range of certifications available that really allow us to apply the tools more effectively. They focus on maybe those lean tools or the simple tools like Kata that we can use each and every day. So that's how Lean Six Sigma is actually changing.